So this is the remote. There's no wire connected to the other part. So I managed to program one of the Xbee. So you need to transmit one as program one as the transmitter and the other one as the receiver, and mark them so you don't mix them, because each of them has different program inside. So if you had to mix them, I would probably not work and you get confused, and that's what happened to me the first time. So lesson learned, mark them. I'm using 9 volt through the Arduino, using 3.3 volt pins to feed to the Xbee. So it has a 3.3 voltage pin and also has a 5 volt input with a regulator, which is good. But I'm just going to try this first. I'm just going to try directly 3.3 volt, and I'm also using this pin for reference for the voltage. The analog is going to pin 20, so I enable pin 20 to input analog signal. Okay, so next, so this is the second module that will go on the robot. So I disconnected the motors for now, and basically what I did is, just for a simple test, I connected a LED to pin 9. So same deal again, 9 volt going to the Arduino using the 3.3 pin output to feed to the receiver, and using the reference pin also. I don't know if I have to, but it's there. So that's the 5 volt, and right here. So okay, so that's the wiring, 9 pins. So that's pretty basic. So technically, what's gonna happen if it works? I'm gonna have control over the LED, but I just programmed the y-axis for this test. So I'm gonna launch the receiver first. Okay, no green light, so now poof, the receiver is on, the transmitter is on, the LED is on. So now this should go off when I do this. Yes. So that shows that I can control a motor, right? So LED. There you go. So that's for a first test. So I need to configure the x-axis now, and then we'll do a test with the actual motor and see if that works.